Hi, my name is Fanny. I work for the Estee Lauder companies. If you ask me about my hair type, I would say it is fine, it is thin. I definitely look for products that have volume without weighing my hair down. So today I am so excited to try Bumble and Bumble's Thickening Volume Shampoo and Conditioner. When used together, this shampoo and conditioner is going to instantly prep your hair to make it movable and bouncy. So I'm excited. So let's go ahead and experience it. I'll be right back.
Not only is the shampoo lightweight, I love the way it lathers up so easily. And the conditioner is lightweight and hydrating.
All right, here it is. I'm back. My hair is dry. I did not use any styling products whatsoever. And you can immediately see the bounciness, the fullness. I'm able to move it around. It feels lightweight, not heavy at all. What I love about the formulation is that it has panthenol to promote healthy looking hair. It also is color safe.
For volume that's movable, you need to try Bumble and Bumble's Thickening Shampoo and Conditioner.